Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eva from Noshki's Nails and Plus. Today's video is going to be a little different. It's sponsored by a company called CHRYSOBOX. I believe that's how you pronounce it. Forgive me if I'm wrong. CHRYSOBOX is a nail care subscription box. You can basically choose to do a 1 month, 3, 6, or a 12-month automatic renewal subscription. The box usually does ship out on the 26th of each month, and shipping is included in the cost of the price. So for a limited time right now, what they're doing is for new subscribers, they are offering a free LED lamp on your first order only. So if you, for example, you do a 3-month subscription, one of those packages, which will be the first one, you will have an LED lamp included, and that's it. So don't expect to have it in each month. I just wanted to say that out so I don't get anybody confused. And the value of the lamp, I believe, is like $85. And then each box includes 4 to 5 nail items, plus you get, you know, nail art, accessories, or tools. All of those items are worth over $60. And it's perfect to do this, especially if you're a nail addict. You can discover new tools, new colors, new brands, stuff that you normally wouldn't choose. And plus you get to learn new techniques. So for example, if you're not into nail stamping and in 1 month they include some stuff, it's like a perfect way to learn about it and just start playing with new items, you know, or dip powders or anything, basically anything. You definitely want to check them out, and I will be listing their Instagram and their Facebook page. It's CHRYSOBOX for both. If you do plan on getting your box now, make sure you use my discount code to get 10% off. It's NOSHKE 10. So let's start the unboxing, and I will give you my feedback soon after. Just to let you know, I got this in the mail this week and I haven't opened it. It's sealed. I don't want to flip it all the way over because I don't want my address to show, but just want to show you it's sealed, so I haven't opened it yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that now. So exciting. It's my first box, so this will be interesting. This is the box that was sent out, is the one that they sold out. It's the St. Patrick's one. This must be, yep, the LED lamp. Let me just pull all out and then I will show you. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, and then there's another box. Alright, so this is the other box. Here's the company name. If you want to check them out, that's how you spell it. Make sure there's nothing else. Okay, so there's nothing else in there. Like I said, in your first order, you will get an LED lamp, and this is it right here. It's a 2-in-1 LED lamp. And let me see what else they have on the side here. It's a 48 watt power. You can cure UV, LED, and gel and boulder. 50,000 hours of use. Smart LED display, smart sensor technology, so that's good, baby. I'm sorry, I just said baby, I was reading a text message, I'm sorry. Alright, pay attention, Eva. Alright, I'm gonna open this and show you the box. So, ooh, there's more stuff in here. Okay, let's just show you the box first. So that's just the adapter. As you can see, it plugs in. And then you will have the manual in here. Very basic. Okay. You could do 30 seconds, 60, and 99. You could pause this if you want to read that. So let's just take a look at this. Okay, so it looks like this one doesn't have a base. I don't know if that matters. There's, looks like a total of 21, and yep, this is the, no, this is the right for you guys. There it goes. It's a cute LED lamp. I already have one, but I will definitely be testing this out. I like the 3 options that are available, so I'll put that to the side. And inside that box came up with these 2. I'm going to guess it's a base and a top coat. Let me grab the scissors. Yep. Oh, look at that. See? And there you go. Opi, that's a known brand, and it's a base, like I said, a base coat. And this has to be the top coat. Yep, top coat. So there you have it. Base and top coat. These are 5 full ounces, so they're not the minis. There you go. I don't know how much these cost if you buy them separately. Now let's look at the other goodies. I probably should have opened the other one first, but I wanted to show you the LED. So you could, if you're going to go on Instagram, you can hashtag them. And here's a cute saying. It says, "Life is too short for boring nails." That's cute. Okay, here we go. Here we go. So there you have it. Here's their Facebook and Instagram, like I said. And let's read this. I'm gonna try to sit down. I'm recording from a different angle here. So like I said, this is the same Patty's box. This was shipped out in the month. Well, for this month it's already sold out, but that's the front. I don't know if there's anything in the back. Yep, it is. Just says make sure to have fun, take pictures, and tag us. Again, on Facebook and Instagram, they're called CHRYSOBOX, I believe. Leave feedback on Facebook, and you know, cute stuff like that. It says in your next box, make sure to let us know once you do so by emailing us. You get a free bonus gift. So that's cute. Okay, here we go. In this box, you're going to get a Opi green tea soak. Should we open this so we grab this? So this is it right here. Okay, let me just show you the box right here. It's packaged really nicely. So like I said, you get this right here. Looks like there's a few Opi items in here. That's awesome. I love Opi. I own a lot of the nail polish. I don't own any other products. So this is for manicure and pedicure. Purifying soak with botanical extracts and tea essence. This is a big ass bottle, 8.5 full ounces, and it's got the directions in the back for pedicure. So there you go. If you're looking to do a pedicure, this is perfect timing. There you go. So you have that, and then the next item, which is this one right here. This is the Young Nails cream. It's pro only. I don't know what that means, but let's grab that. This has got to be the one right here. Is it, or is it not? Yes, that is the one. So there's probably a seal on it. Yeah, there's gonna be a seal on it. Oops. There you go. Sneak peek. Oh, it smells so nice. You can definitely smell the fresh citrus in it. I think that's what's in it right now. And I've got some cream on my hands, so there you go. You get that. That one is 1 full ounce. Let's see, what is that for? I think it's just a hand cream. So the third one right here is the Opi Gel Colors. Let's see what they have. Let me cut this one open first. Soak off, soluble. I don't know what this is. I'll have to read further into it, but here's the other color, green. So there you go. The theme is St. Patrick, so they did well in choosing this color. Life gave me lemons. Okay, that's nice. You get that, and then you get more nail file stuff. Again, it's all OPI. So you have a 240 grit right here, and then this is a 220, 280. I don't have that size, so this is great for buffing and stuff like that. So this is nice. And then what do we get next? Foils, fast foils. It says how to remove gel and glitter. So yeah, this is awesome. How many are in here? I don't think it says, but it's got directions on it. And then, sorry for the noise, the last thing are these nail stencils. These are great for creating straight lines or like negative space. So there you go. And I think that's about it. So let me know what you guys think of this box. Do you think it's worth the money? I definitely think so. I don't see anything wrong with paying the amount for a monthly subscription. Now, overall, this is, like I said, this is my first box. I definitely think it's a great value, and you have some amazing quality products that were included in there. I'm pretty sure each box is going to be like that. It's going to be a great way for you to pamper yourself, especially if you're a nail addict like myself. So please go ahead and check out their page, and if you decide to order, use my 10% discount code. Again, it's Noshke10, that's NOSHKE10, to get 10% off. Please like, share, and if you haven't excuse